Hello students, good morning. In previous video we have seen the information about scalar and vector quantities. See, in this video we are going to learn or we are going to study the remaining concept speed and velocity. See, first of all we will see what is mean by speed. Speed, the definition of speed is the distance covered by an object, the distance covered by an object in a specific time, or specific, you can say specific unit time. See here, what is the definition? The distance covered by an object is, the distance covered by an object in specific unit time. See, what is the word are here? Distance. Okay. See, if the person covered maximum distance in minimum time, then you can say the speed of that person is a high. And when the person covered a minimum distance in a maximum time, then you can say the person is a very low speed. So whatever definition said, the distance covered by an object in a specific time. See, this term is related with a distance. Okay, so we can say speed is related with the distance. So we can say the speed is which quantity? Speed is a scalar quantity. Why? Because speed is related with the distance, and all of you know that distance is a scalar quantity. There is no need to express a direction. So speed is a scalar quantity. See, now what is the formula for speed? If you want to calculate the speed, then there is a formula. Which is the formula, or what are the formula for this speed? See, we can write the formula on a definition. See, what is our definition said? The definition is distance covered by an object in specific time. So two terms here. Distance covered by object in how much time? In a specific unit time. Therefore we can write speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, you can write speed is equal to distance upon time. See, now we can write the unit of speed using this formula. All of you know that the unit of distance, all of you know that unit of time. Okay, see, therefore what is the distance? What is the unit of distance? The unit of distance is, see, before writing the unit there are two units for distance. Okay, first one is the SI unit. Which one? SI unit is the International Units of System, and CGS unit. Okay, when we want to calculate larger quantities, SI unit is used. When we want to calculate smaller quantities, the CGS unit used. See, the SI unit for speed is, SI unit is, what is the SI unit for distance? Is a meter. Okay, and the unit for time is the second. Therefore we can write here SI unit of speed is meter per second. Okay, and what about the CGS unit? CGS unit of speed is the, CGS unit for distance is the centimeter, and unit for time is the second. Therefore, the CGS unit for speed is also same as like a distance, because speed is related with the distance. What is the definition said? The distance covered by an object in a specific unit time. Therefore, we can write here the CGS unit for speed is the centimeter upon time. Okay, centimeter upon time. These are the two units for speed. See, what about the values of speed? If the quantity is related with the distance, the value is also related with the distance. All of you know that we have already seen the distance having only two values. Either it is a positive, it is always positive, and it never be zero. Like that, speed is also having two values. That one is the first value is the positive value and second one is the zero value. See how it is positive and zero value. See, if car is a steady on one place, the speed of car is a 0, and when car is started moving in direction, the speed of that car is the positive. We never see this, we never tell the speed of that car is a negative. So the speed is also always, the speed is always a 0 or positive. Okay, so we have studied here the point speed. Now we are going to learn second concept, velocity. See, these are two terms interrelated with each other like a distance and displacement. Therefore, we can write here like a difference or distinguish. Okay, and you have question on these points. See, what is the velocity? Speed is the distance covered by an object in specific unit time. Okay, here the definition of velocity, if these two words we can see, these two are interrelated or same, but in scientific language these both are different. Speed is a different and velocity is different. What is the definition of velocity? The distance, see what I write here, the distance covered by an object in specific time, See, same definition I write here. Okay, next I'll give comma here, the distance covered by an object in a specific time in a given direction, or in a given displacement. Why I write here displacement and give oblique? See, when we express direction, when we told displacement, see, the distance covered by an object in a specific time in a given displacement is called as velocity. So the term velocity is related with the displacement. So here we can write the velocity is if the term is related with the displacement, and if the displacement having or displacement is a vector quantity, we can write here velocity is also vector quantity. Why? Because when we express velocity, there is a need to express direction. See, what is the formula to determine velocity? Velocity is equal to distance covered by an object in given direction or displacement. So we can write here velocity is equal to displacement upon time. We can write here displacement upon time. In your exam, there is a numericals on these two formulas. Okay. See, velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Then what is the unit for this velocity? Velocity having also two unit like a speed. The first unit is the SI unit. What is the displacement? SI unit for displacement is same like a distance, meter upon second. Therefore, SI unit of velocity is the also meter per second, and CGS unit for velocity is also same as like a displacement, because the quantity or this entity is related with the displacement. See, so CGS unit is the centimeter per second. Okay. Then what about the values of velocity? The velocity having three values. Which three values? It may be positive, it may be negative, and it may be zero. Okay, because the velocity is related with the displacement. Velocity having three values: positive, negative, and zero. So in this video we have studied the concept of speed and velocity. These two concepts are interrelated with each other like a distance and displacement. Speed is related with the distance, therefore speed is a scalar quantity, and velocity is related with the displacement, therefore velocity is the vector quantity. See, the remaining part we will see in the next video. Thank you.